Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool idea. This is a transition tape. So if you have a gap that is in some flooring like I've got here to show you as an example, it's a lot of times that can become unsightly, it can become a trip hazard, get things stuck down in the crack. This actually comes in a variety of colors and lengths, and it just comes with this adhesive back on here and a tapered edge. So on the edge of this you can actually see it's very tapered, so if you're going to be wheeling things over the edge of it, or you're going to be mopping over the top of it, it should help prevent that. All you have to do is just spread this out and cut the length. You can cut it with a pair of scissors. Cuts very easily, although it is a thick product. It seems to be built very good quality. And then you're going to peel this off, and then just using the adhesive back, you're going to find that crack and just simply place it over the top of the crack, pushing it down, and then go and walking on it a few times. And I mean, it's got a nice no-slip edge on that that allows you to easily glide over the top of that and should make a nice transition piece. You could even use this at the edge of a doorway if you're wanting to transition that as well.